After nung General Luna date nyo, nasanda na ba yun? Or...
Lagi naman, every chance na we get, I said, whether the gym, we go to mass, we hear mass. Kahit lang, this recently lang, we were in Mystery Manila, we tried the whole events thing. So, we try to make time.
What's so special about No Boyfriend Since Birth?
Siyempre, kasi I'll be work with Carla again. Not only someone who I admire with her craft, but someone who, like I said, is very dear to me. And si Direk Joey, who I had so much fun working with. I mean, I've heard so much about him kay Carla pa lang, lalo na napanood ko yung Somebody to Love, yung premiere, when I was invited to watch. And nung kwento yung mga behind the scenes, di ako makapaniwala na someone who can shoot something that beautifully, ginawa with just natural lighting and with that kind of pace. Until the experience ko for myself and everything that everyone says about Direk Joey is true, is the most fun director to work with na you feel like you're just there with good people, good friends. You're just enjoying your time. Kaya it hardly felt like work, if I can be honest.